up there really, because I can't get any speed there. It's too rounded. Yeah, it's not much for jumping. Whoa, man down. Man down.
Come on, you mom, right?
Question is, will I keep that in the video? Blew out another flip-flop. Ay. Got a little construction site action here. It's usually kind of a waste, but so check it out. Need just a little bit bigger of an RC for places like this.
You must reach the next level.
Still too rough of terrain. End up doing a bunch of that. I do have the ramp. I was actually planning to take it out, but saw this, thought, well, maybe I'll give it a try. Even though I'm probably not supposed to be in here. Figured no harm driving an RC.
What idiot? You're in charge.
Yeah, these ruts are just not cool. Looks really smooth down there though. Full trigger. Ooh. Ooh. Really not wanting to get too crazy anyways, because I got the chassis plates cut out today. I just need to get the screw holes figured out where how I want to mount it. So I don't want to mess up the chassis too much before I get those. Hopefully that'll help. I'm hoping that's going to help with my motor mount issues too, because I've been shredding my motor mounts. So I think that having that brace on the bottom there is going to help. I actually saw it's M2C Racing, I think, sells a beefed up motor mount. It actually comes with a aluminum spine piece. It's normally a little plastic piece that the battery strap hooks to. They give you an aluminum one of those, and I think that's the main part of that setup. So I think having the aluminum bracing on the bottom will hopefully be similar to having that in there. So maybe I don't have to spend the 70 bucks on that. Man, that's crazy. 70 bucks for a motor mount. I mean, come on, guys. Aluminum's super cheap, and nowadays you can get the CNC machines super cheap. So I don't know what these guys are charging for. It's insane. Kind of makes me want to get into that racket. RC part racket. Full speed. Woo!